Oh, no.
This is raining extension. Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's vlog I'm going to be showing you guys like basically a photo shoot that I'll be doing for Canon Africa. So in case you don't know what is Canon Africa, they are basically like human hair and synthetic company that that makes extensions for hair. They're going to like be sending me products, their products, so that we could like do a photo shoot for them and send it for them. So the Webby is coming from Lagos. They've already called me to come and pick it up, and we're going to Peace to pick it up, and after that we're going to do the photo shoot. Are you ready? Okay guys, so I just got to Peace and I'm looking for the guy. Webby. So heavy. Oh, it's not that heavy. And I'm going to unbox it and just show you guys a little haul of it. And even so, I even enjoyed myself from carrying this thing. Like I don't know what entered my hand, but the thing is also falling apart.
So I'm going to tell people what entered my hand. You already know this touch and dye plant. This thing have like all these ohogu things on it that when I just like put my hand there, the thing just choked inside it. So stay away.
Let's get to the video. Let's start unboxing. So I'm going to open it up. Ouch! Not again. I just enjoyed myself. My nails just injured me. Oh my freaking god, you guys will not believe this. Like, so this is the t-shirt. This is like hundreds of extensions. Oh my freaking god, thousands of extensions. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay guys, I'm tripping. And then we have the book, the magazine. So this is my shirt for the photo shoot. A jotter. And what is this? Another big shirt. I love you guys so much. Wow, like guys, it hasn't even finished. The hairs, am I selling hairs or what? I thought I've lost count. Like, this is amazing. This is, what am I going to do with all this hair? Okay, so at this point all my injury was worth it, because I have this injury that I don't know if you guys can see. That injury. So painful. I had this injury right there for trying to open up the bag. Guys, look at this. It's raining extension. This is what I even used in making this hair. Like, I bought it for like 118. So imagine how much all this extension would cost. Like, thank you so much for sending me all this stuff. And what's funny is that these stuffs are so freaking free. Like, I didn't pay for any shit. Like, they just sent it for me so I could just, like, take the photo shoot. I didn't even expect them to send all these products. Like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited to be able to be part of this company. Guys, so I'm almost done with makeup. I'm not really a thick makeup type.
So, madam, are you not comfortable with it?
Comfortable with what? Can you guys? She can't even answer you because she's not happy with what you've been doing since. Been waiting. You spend almost 30 to 2 hours trying to create this thing on her face.
I just put foundation on, to just make my face brighter. And sadly, I don't have a pink lipstick. I feel like pink would have complemented this look, but I don't have a pink lipstick. So I'm just going to dab. This is like a DIY pink lipstick. Light red and nude. As you can see, my lips is red, and then you dab it with nude. That is if you don't have pink. Boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka. Of course, my signature look, lip gloss. Get glossy. See that stuff I'm talking about? No matter how much I apply anything hair colored, it still turns back to brown or something, or whatever that color is. Okay, so I'm going to brush up my brows. I have thick brows, so no eye pencil needed. Guys, if you can hear that, that's just boys being boys and being so loud when they're watching football. I don't know why boys are that way. So noisy. It's football season. Okay, so this is the full look. When I get there, I'll change to my outfits, like the t-shirts they gave me that I showed you guys yesterday. Ready to get at it.
So this is obviously the final look, all glowed up. So I'm headed to the studio right now. And by the way, guys, I'm so hungry. Like, I'm starving. I haven't had anything to eat since morning, but I had to get this photo shoot did and done because I'm running out of time and the deadline for the photo shoots. So, oh my gosh, I'm so tired and hungry. Okay guys, so I finally got to the studio and there was this family that was doing a photo shoot for their two kids. Like, it was so annoying because the little boy was so grumpy and they kept on forcing him to look at the camera. Like, I don't even know why parents bother. Like, dude, it's just a boy's birthday. Like, why do you have to come all the way to the studio? Just take the pictures with your phone. And she's even using iPhone, so the picture would still be good. They kept on forcing. I spent almost 3 hours waiting for them to be done. Then this girl at my back now. So because of I said I wanted like a white background for my shoot. You're going to see them changing the white background soon. She was like telling the other guy, telling her, tell her to help you now. That guy was like, how dare you? How can you ask a client to help you and change your studio background? She just shut up her mouth because I was talking to her when I got there, so she now felt we're now friends. So I'm going to help her. So it finally got to my turn, and of course I gave them a show. The guy said I was a natural, and that I looked good, that he would love to work with me again. And he kept on asking me to smile. He didn't even let me do all this, like model street face kind of pose. He just actually smiled. That smile looked better on more. Me kept on like, if we snap small, we check, because the picture have to like get to a standard of like what I was going to like send to them and stuff. But I mean, dude, like, I had fun working with this guy because he was so like free to work with, and he didn't like be like all this type of people that be like snap, they will not show you. But if he snaps small, he will show me because he wanted me to like them. And as you can see, like, I was so comfortable around him too. But in the beginning, he was not there. When they were doing that other photo shoot of the children photo shoot, he was not there. He's the real owner of the studio. So he just came out, and I'm happy he's even the person that did me. I thought it was going to be the other guy that was still learning that was going to do me, but he said, you know what, he might take charge of this girl, you know what I'm saying? And he took charge, and the pictures was ooh la la.
See, this is not my own personality. This is for somebody. So like, let's not be as if I don't know what to do again.
So we're good, right?
Oh, that one is too good now.
So we're good, right?
Okay guys, as you can see, my own did not even waste chickeny time. And if you guys can hear that music blasting in the background, hopefully I don't get copyrighted, because YouTube no they waste time to copyright person. So we're going to choose the pictures.
I like these ones with that one you said you were playing.
I know, I like it too. I like the fact that it's dark.
Yes, and it's aesthetic. I like this one especially. Makes me look evil.
See, this is why you want to be looking evil. It makes me look evil.
Okay.
Okay guys, so I just finished my shoot. It's time to go home. I've not eaten since today. Eating hurts my stomach. So if you watched to this point, I love you, and subscribe.